Let's get you another breaking update, what we are picking up, because the clincher that has now emerged as the DG's removal is concerned. This is a big Times Now exclusive that we are breaking for our viewers. What exactly led to the NTA DG Subodh Kumar's removal from the post as the Director General? We have accessed the internal report suggesting that he is apparently not cooperating with the probe agencies. He's not providing them with adequate information. There are allegations of corruption in the finalization of the exam centers, and only one CCTV was functional at the centers. There were several irregularities, meanwhile, that has been found at these examination centers. Let me go across to Tejshri getting us this information. Tejshri, good morning. Said irregularities within the NTA led by the former DG now Subodh Kumar. Now that the reason the government has asked him to move aside, and we're looking at Pradeep Kharola, who is now taken over.
Certainly, and let me tell you that this decision came after several irregularities were found not only in one but several exams, and in fact this controversy erupted since when there was this alleged paper leak controversy found in NEET, and then UGC NET was cancelled, CSIR UGC NET was cancelled, NEET PG was cancelled, and in fact government, the NTA did not cite the reason so as to why the exam has been cancelled. They just mentioned in several reasons, mentioning that it is because of some unavoidable circumstances, unavoidable reasons, and in one of the reasons they also mentioned as some logistical issue. So there was no clarity so as to why these examinations were either postponed or cancelled. So that is why NTA was on radar, because several questions were raised on NTA DG Subodh Kumar, and Times Now is the only channel to access this particular internal report, which highlights the fact that what were the lapses and negligence found as far as NTA is concerned. So let me tell you and break down it easily is that this is an internal report that was submitted, and in fact this particular report highlights that NTA was not cooperating with the agencies, and in fact this particular fact has also been highlighted by the Gujarat police as well. The Gujarat police has also highlighted that NTA is not cooperating, not providing them the documents, the OMR sheet that they wanted. And in fact, Bihar police has also alleged the same thing, that NTA was not cooperating. So keeping all these things in mind, their report was prepared, and this particular report also had the details about NTA not cooperating, number one. Number two, it had the details about the corruption in selecting the examination centers. Now look at it very carefully, that examination centers were selected very selectively and very statistically, because those particular examination centers were compromised, because examination centers, according to the protocol, should have proper 2 CCTV cameras. One CCTV camera is installed by the side of the school or the examination center, and the other is by the NTA, and the monitoring is done at the headquarters by the heads of the department. Right. Now later, if we break down the other details, then the examination center did not even have the security, the strong room did not have the security guard.
All of this now will be looked into. With as far as the DG is concerned, or the Director General is concerned, he is now been removed. Apparently, according to this internal report that has been accessed by Times Now, he seems to be a non-cooperative. There are said irregularities that are now being put into and have been under the scan.